I recently posted a video about how my wash and goes are beginning to cause breakage on my hair. If you want to watch that video, which you absolutely do, it is linked in the cards above and in the description box below. Today, I'm going to be using OlaPlex for the first time, the entire OlaPlex system. Well, the entire system that I purchased, which is the OlaPlex shampoo, conditioner, the number 3, the number 0, and the deep conditioner. I started off with a light shampoo because I wanted to make sure my hair was clean and ready for that number 0 to penetrate into my hair. I also did a light conditioning just because I didn't know how it would affect my hair and I didn't want my hair to be too dry. I do read, so I do understand that the OlaPlex is supposed to be used on dry hair. However, I checked the website and it says that using it on wet hair or damp hair is good as well, so I decided to go that route. I have seen a few naturals say that the number 0 isn't really necessary for them, and I would like some feedback on that. If I can eliminate one product from this OlaPlex system session, that'd be awesome. One less thing to do, so do share if you only use the number 3 and you feel like that makes a huge difference and is more sustainable for you. Let me know in the comments below. I left the number 0 in my hair for 10 minutes, as it says on the bottle, and then I went in with the number 3. I ended up running some errands and I let that sit in my hair for about 90 minutes, a little more probably, but around 90 minutes. I noticed it looks a little foggy here, and I think that's because I might have touched my lens before getting in the shower and not wiped it off properly, but it's okay, just ignore it. I mentioned in my last video that I'll be sectioning my hair into about 6 sections during my shampoo process. I actually found this very, very beneficial for me to get to my scalp and get to all of my hair strands, since I'm not doing as much detangling and raking or anything like I used to do during my shampoo. It was a lot of smoothing, and I felt like the product did just as well. It got into my hair, it cleansed my hair, and using the OlaPlex shampoo was a great experience. It's really softening. It felt great on my hair. I haven't used a shampoo that felt this good to use in quite some time, so I'm really excited to have it in my routine now.
So my hair feels really soft. It feels clean, but it doesn't feel stripped. It feels soft, but not soft in a bad way.
I've heard so many great things about the OlaPlex number 8, the deep conditioner. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to use this. And I wanna make sure that my hair is well conditioned after I go through this entire process. I wanna use all OlaPlex. I don't wanna have to go in with anything else. So I decided that I would go out and purchase this and use it mixed with the regular conditioner, the number 5, I believe. And it worked out really well. I used a good amount and applied the deep conditioner first, and then went over that with the regular conditioner. I know you guys can see that breakage. The breakage from the parting, or just from, I don't know, life in the center of my head. You can really see it when I'm applying the deep conditioner to my hair. It's just hair sticking up everywhere. Now, a lot of people's hair does this. This is probably par for the course. Like, people get breakage. But that is bothering my soul. And the irony of it is that's always been a thing for me. So I might be making a mountain out of a molehill with this breakage situation, but it's something I notice, and I don't want to just let it go amiss just because it's, quote, normal. I still think that things that are normal to us that really probably can be helped should be called out. So that's it. I'm trying to do more finger detangling using my wide tooth comb, and I can definitely tell that if I had used a brush during this, I would have probably caused a lot more breakage than just with a wide tooth comb.
My hair feels really good. It feels so soft and manageable, and not like, it feels like I just did it feels like so light. I don't know how to describe it, but it feels very light. It feels great. I'm not one of those people who's like, yeah, this completely changed my hair after one wash. How do I know? I don't know. I'll have to use this more consistently in order to say what it's actually done for me, and I'm gonna probably be using it every other week just to kind of see how it goes. So soft, I just don't understand. Up next, you're gonna see me try something that I haven't tried in a very long time. Also, let me know what you think of OlaPlex. How long have you been using it? Is it working for you? How do you know if it's working for you? Can you tell a difference in your hair? Like what? Let me know. Let me know.